Good morning, students. Welcome to BSc 2 4th semester Zoology online class. So today I am going to discuss on Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. This is one of the cell organelles present in eukaryotic cells. Golgi apparatus, also called Golgi complex or Golgi body, membrane-bound organelle of eukaryotic cells. Cells with clearly defined nuclei. So eukaryotic cells, all eukaryotic cells possess Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex or Golgi body that is made up of series of flattened stacked pouches called cisternae. Cisternae. So these are cisternae. Can you see? Flat pouch-like sacs called as cisternae. The Golgi apparatus is responsible for transporting, modifying, and packaging proteins and lipids into vesicles for delivery to targeted destinations. The function of the Golgi apparatus is to transport, modify, packaging proteins and lipids into vesicles for their delivery. So proteins and lipids are synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum. So rough endoplasmic reticulum produces proteins, smooth endoplasmic reticulum produces lipids, and they are sent to Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus for their packaging and the packaged vesicles are released to their destinations. It is located in the cytoplasm next to the endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, these are all connected. Functionally they are connected, interconnected. Okay, so all together known as endoplasmic cell organelles. So cytoplasm next to the endoplasmic reticulum and near the cell nucleus. While many types of cells contain only one or several Golgi apparatus, plant cells contain hundreds. Plant cells contain hundreds of Golgi complex. So look here, these are vesicles. These are called as cisternae. Cisternae, how they are packed. They are stacked one above the other. Okay, this face is called cis face. This cis face is towards the nucleus, and this is trans face. This face is trans face towards the cell membrane. So these are vesicles, secretory vesicles. The lipids and proteins that are synthesized in endoplasmic reticulum are coming towards cis face. Now in the cis face, in the Golgi complex cisternae, they are modified, packaged, and finally the vesicles are produced containing modified proteins and lipids, and they are released externally. They are either released externally or internally. So these are called secretory vesicles. So this is incoming transport vesicle coming from the endoplasmic reticulum. These are vesicles coming from endoplasmic reticulum and fusing with the cisternae of Golgi complex at the cis face. So these are newly forming vesicles. In general, the Golgi apparatus is made up of approximately 4 to 8 cisternae, although in some single-celled organisms it may consist of as many as 60 cisternae in unicellular organisms. The cisternae are held together by matrix proteins, and the whole of the Golgi apparatus is supported by cytoplasmic microtubules. Microtubules are present in the cytoplasm. They are used for keeping these cisternae in their position. The apparatus has 3 primary compartments known generally as cis, then medial. Cis, cisternae nearest to the endoplasmic reticulum. That surface, that end is called cis end. Then medial, central layers of cisternae, and trans cisternae farthest from the endoplasmic reticulum. Two networks, the cis-Golgi network and the trans-Golgi network, which are made up of the outermost cisternae at the cis and trans faces, are responsible for the essential task of sorting proteins and lipids that are received at the cis phase or released at the trans phase by the organelle. Okay, see, at the cis phase, the vesicles are received from the endoplasmic reticulum and they enter into the medial cisternae, and finally they reach trans cisternae. This is the trans phase. Okay, now they are released as the vesicles, secretory vesicles. The proteins and lipids received at the cis phase arrive in clusters of fused vesicles. These fused vesicles migrate along microtubules through a special trafficking compartment called the vesicular tubular cluster that lies between the endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi apparatus. When a vesicle cluster fuses with the cis membrane, the contents are delivered into the lumen of the cis phase cisterna. As proteins and lipids progress from the cis phase to the trans phase, they are modified into functional molecules. So as they are moving from cis phase to trans phase, they are being modified into functional molecules and are marked for delivery to specific intracellular or extracellular locations. So these are released either inside the cell or outside the cell. Inside the cell, intracellular; outside the cell, extracellular locations. In general, the Golgi apparatus is made up of approximately 4 to 8 cisternae. See, the cisternae are held together by matrix proteins and whole of the Golgi apparatus. Look here how these are released. See, these are cisternae of Golgi complex. This is trans phase. So at the trans phase, the packaged modified proteins and lipids are kept in the vesicles, and these vesicles are released. Transport vesicles, they contain soluble proteins, cell membrane proteins are there. They may be released outside the cell. They move towards the cell membrane and rupture the cell membrane, and their contents are released to the exterior, or so they may contain secretory proteins. So they are again transported to the cell membrane, and they are ruptured and they release their content, secreted proteins, then released soluble proteins. So sometimes inside the cell, within the cell, their contents are released. They are called lysosomes. These vesicles are called lysosomes. These lysosomal content is responsible for the digestion of substances present inside the cell. Let us discuss the function of the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus modifies proteins and lipids that it receives from the endoplasmic reticulum. These biochemicals leave the Golgi by exocytosis before being delivered to different intracellular or extracellular targets. Protein processing. Carbohydrate regions of glycoproteins are altered by addition or removal or modification of carbohydrates. Lipid processing adds phosphate groups and glycoproteins to lipids from the endoplasmic reticulum to create phospholipids that make up the cell membrane. So thus, the lipids and proteins that are released by the endoplasmic reticulum are modified and released by the Golgi complex. So Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus is a packaging substance, a cell organelle, which is being used inside the cell for complete formation of secretory substances. So with this we have completed the Golgi apparatus. The assignment for this chapter is describe the function of Golgi complex in brief. In brief, try to explain the function of the Golgi apparatus, Golgi complex. Thank you.